Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add money and deposit funds onto your Binomo account. Now, Binomo is a trading application for, I believe, Turkey. And of course, it is not available into my country. Actually, it's not really only available in Turkey. It's only available for Arabic countries, Kazakhstan, Ukraine, India. So most countries, unfortunately, not the United Kingdom. Now, to start off, you're going to press the deposit button top right, and then you're going to choose in your payment method. First of all, put in your country, so Kazakhstan, India, Ukraine, Turkey, and then you're going to deposit via it will mostly be deposit via Visa, MasterCard, or Maestro. So any of the bank transfers or bank accounts. And then fill out all of your information. Make sure that you do use a IP address from your actual country, and then full citizenship, so your full ID or your passport. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.